Assalamualaikum, immersive people. This is Aisha Qureshi and welcome to my channel Immersive English. This video is the continuation of verb tenses. And today we are going to learn future perfect tense. The lesson will consist of the following things. First of all, we'll understand the definition of future perfect tense. Then we'll see when to use future perfect tense. And lastly, we'll understand the structure to form affirmative sentences, negative sentences, and interrogative sentences. I hope you'll stay with me. Let's get started. Now we understand what actually is future perfect tense. Simply, future perfect tense is used to talk about actions that will be completed before some other point in the future. For example, when I finish university, I'll have joined a firm. So the statement I'll have joined the firm indicates that in future you will have done this thing, or maybe you aim to acquire this thing in future. I hope you understand. I hope you people have understood the definition of future perfect tense. Now, it is really very important to know when to use a certain tense. So, let's discuss when we should use the future perfect tense. The first usage is we use this tense with the future time word, that's often by, to talk about an action that will finish before a certain time in future. The example is very simple. By 6 o'clock. Here I have used the word by. That's a time word. By 6 o'clock, I will have finished my assignment. I hope you understand it. Another use of future perfect tense. We use it to say how long for an action that starts before and continues up to another action in the future. The example is there. When I reach home, my guests will have arrived. It indicates two things going on, one presently and other will occur in future. I hope you understand it. Here we have the structure of future perfect tense. As I said, first of affirmative sentences, then negative sentences, and then interrogative sentences. Viewers, if you understand the structure well, it will be really very easy for you to compose the sentences and then the paragraphs. The structure to form affirmative sentences is subject plus will plus have plus third form of verb plus object. Example, we will have arrived in London by the next month. Now I teach you how to structure the negative sentences. The sentence starts with the subject plus will plus not plus have plus third form of verb plus object. Here we make a mistake in placing not in between the sentence. As you can see, not comes after will, but we sometimes put it before will, and that is how the structure goes wrong. I hope you'll avoid it. The example is, we will not have arrived in London by the next month. Here you have the structure of interrogative sentences. As you know, an interrogative sentence starts from the being verbs. So the structure would be will plus subject plus have plus third form of verb plus object, and not to forget the question mark. For example, will we have arrived in London by the next month? Our video has come to an end. I know that this tense is little tricky, but I've tried my level best to make it easy for you. All you have to do is to practice it. If you have any suggestions or the feedback, please do share it. If you want to learn any specific thing, kindly let me know. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.